Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, I'll ask you one question to you that what we need to survive in this world. हमारी basic requirements क्या हैं जिनके बगैर हमारा impossible है रहना. That is food, clothes and house. अगर हम food नहीं खाएंगे then what will happen? We become weak and we are not able to do any kind of work. हम कोई काम ही नहीं कर पाएंगे और हम weak होते जाएंगे अगर हम food नहीं लेंगे, right? Second is clothes. अगर हम clothes नहीं पहनेंगे then what will happen? We will not be able to protect ourselves from outside environment, from outside cold and heat. Yes, हम clothes क्यों पहनते हैं? So that we can protect ourselves from the heat of the sun and the cold of the weather, right? And third is house. House is also equally important. House भी हमारे लिए उतना ही important है जितना हमारे लिए food और clothes हैं. What is the function of house? House क्या काम करता है? To gives us shelter. हमें shelter देता है, हमें protection देता है from outside animals, from outside environment, from heat and cold of the weather, right? House also plays a very important role in order to protect ourselves from outside heat and cold, right? जब हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है then also house protect us from the outside environment. Similarly, if there is a too much of cold, windy, rain also, right? Then also house protect us from these weathers. Okay, so today we are going to do our needs concept. So these three are our basic needs, right? So today we are going to do a new concept that is our needs. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this concept now. Okay, so first let's talk about food. We need food. Why we need food? As I already told you, we need food to grow and to stay healthy. Yes, food हमें क्या help करता है? हमारी growth के लिए help करता है and to makes us to stay healthy, right? हमें healthy बनाने के लिए, right? Food gives us energy to work and play. Yes, it also gives us energy. हमें energy देता है किसके लिए? वर्क करने के लिए, प्ले करने के लिए. अगर हम खाना ही नहीं खाएंगे सो व्हाट विल हैपन? क्या होगा? अगर हम फूड नहीं लेंगे प्रॉपर then we are not able to work, we are not able to play, right? And at your stage, at your age, your main work is to do the studies and to play, right? So अगर आप proper food ही नहीं intake करोगे so you are not able to do your studies, you are not able to play, right? So you must have a proper meals, you must have the proper nutrition. Okay, so you should have all the things. And second important thing is milk. Yes, milk plays a very important role. Milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. Yes, milk क्या करता है? हमारी teeth और हमारी bones को strong रखता है. So you should have 2 glasses of milk in a day. And we should also eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Yes, हमें प्रॉपर मील तो लेना ही चाहिए लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हमें 2 glasses of milk in a day लेना चाहिए and moreover हमें fresh fruits and vegetables का भी intake करना चाहिए. Why? Because they keeps us healthy. These all things keeps us healthy. But there is one condition that we should wash all the fruits and vegetables before we eat them. हमें ऐसे ही कोई fruit और vegetable नहीं खाना चाहिए. But before eating them, we should properly wash them. Okay, students? Okay, so now let's talk about clothes. We need clothes to cover our bodies. Why we need clothes? हमें clothes क्यों चाहिए? To cover our bodies, right? And we wear cotton clothes in summer. So these are the cotton clothes. See, and these cotton clothes are made up of this plant cotton, right? This is the cotton, right? And इससे क्या बनता है? These two cotton clothes. Cotton clothes cotton से बनते. Cotton is basically a plant, as you can see in the picture also. Cotton is the plant with which cotton clothes we make a cotton clothes, right? और cotton clothes हम कब पहनते हैं? In summers, because they keeps us cool. हम summers में कौन सी clothes पहनते हैं? Cotton clothes. क्यों पहनते हैं? Because they keeps us cool, because it's already hot outside. So in order to keeps us ourselves cool, so we should have cotton clothes in summers. And we wear woolen clothes in winters. This sweater, this is woolen. Why we wear woolen in winters? Because they keeps us warm. ये हमें गर्म रखते हैं, warm रखते हैं, right? We get cotton from cotton plant. This is the cotton plant from where we can get the cotton. We get wool from sheep, and this sweater is made up of woolen. So from where we get wool? From sheep. Sheep is the animal from where we can get the wool. Okay, so now let's talk about houses. We need houses. Our house keeps us safe from many things. हमारा जो house है, हमारा जो घर है, वो हमें काफी चीजों से प्रोटेक्ट करके रखता है, right? सेफ रखता है. Our house keeps us protect from heat of the sun. सन की हीट से हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है, कोल्ड से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. एंड आवर हाउस कीप्स अस सेफ फ्रॉम रेन एंड विंड. यस, जब रेन होती है आप बाहर निकलते हो, वेयर यू एस्केप? You escape in your houses. Yes, you sit in your houses. You never go outside, because once you go outside you become wet, you become sick, right? So house also keeps us safe from rain and wind. Okay, students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Let's recapitulate one more time. What we need, what are our basic needs? हमारी basic needs कौन सी हैं? Food, clothes and houses. Why we need food? Because food gives us energy to do work, and it also helps in our growth as well, right? And why we need clothes? Because they keeps us, because they protect our bodies from sun and cold. And why we need houses? Because they keeps us safe from outside environment like heat of the sun, cold and rain and wind. Okay, students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Alright students, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.